Hello guys, today we are making a sausage devil with sausages, onions, tomato, cheese, so first up we have the oil. So just going to pour a little oil. Oil on the sides, that's enough. Some garlic which has been mashed up into pieces. You start to stir this up until you smell garlic. You're supposed to smell like garlic getting burned. So, and after you smell that, you wait for a little while, and then we add onions, and then these have to cook for a little until you see the onions getting a little brown. You can wait and then add the sausages. So we keep stirring up. And now we can add the sausages. So we add all of it. Mix it up a little. Roast it a bit. While you have to let them get a little. And now it's getting that brownish color. Into it a little more, and that's enough. Just a little, not that much, until it gets that brownish nice color. That's the color you have to get. Then we all take it to the middle, so everything is in the middle, and then we add some sauce. Not too much, just that's enough. It's frying up. You can see it getting red. We just add a little more sauce so it gets a little more red. So that's enough. Now we just have to mix up. And that's the perfect smell you have to get. It has to be saucy, nice. And we then add a dash of salt into the pan. And that's enough salt. Let's just put a little bit of butter on the side. That's not enough. I'll get just a little more butter, and a scoop, 1 scoop is enough. Now we just mix it in with the butter. We have to nicely mix and mix it with the butter until you see, and then we add a little cheese, just a little cheese. And just a little mix, and we are done. We're done, and this is how it's supposed to look. It's supposed to look brown, greasy and cheesy.